24/7 food and accommodation service provider for tourists and locals traveling southbound in Cebu, Philippines that needs food and restaurant ambience, a one-stop shop for basic needs. Our mission and vision statement. Mission, provide available food products and satisfactory services to travelers both local and international. Vision, provide food and accommodation service that adds value to health and quality of life for travelers, that sustains the needs of the community and the company. For products and services. Silog on the go and dine in with option on only rice. Photo tikwati. Barbecue, salad, halo-halo and fresh buko. Other menu and food products.
Good morning.
Morning, Brad.
This is our spaces in Karkar. Here's a bridge. Before you're approaching Karkar city, there's a big bridge. We're just there before you cross the bridge. It's new. It's already ready. We're having opening on October 4th. So the focus of this is the tourist belt after going to the sightseeing the whale in Oslo. And there's so much people, tourists going there, and then they have no prepared food. The food in Oslo are very expensive. So we have this program. We coordinate with the tourist band and all those services, so that before going there, they book the food, they just pick the food up. On the way, they can eat. So they can say, because we start around 4 or 5, 3 o'clock in the morning, so that they can reach there before 6. Because the whales, they come out around 6 to 27. So after that, they cannot see it anymore. They have to wait for another. The problem with this food is not just a business for the way of life, families are earned. So we cater food that are quick to prepare, not some of them are just mixing and cakes, all those fast food ways. So they can pick it up and then they can eat right away. And it's more convenient for them while the cars are running. They can satisfy themselves their food. If they reach the area, they don't have to pour it anymore. Okay. So the product we have is a diversity of food product line, from cakes to pastries, any mixture, salads, everything, anything that we can make fast and quick. So before they go there, 1 hour before, they book us the food they need. So they just drop by, and then, so that fast, quick, okay?
My electronic connect AirPlay, iPad. Is there anyone that I can hear?
And it connects somewhere. And most of the restaurants there are open at 8 o'clock. So travelers want local and international. Those traveling to restaurant business. So we see the unlimited customers here. So it's not just few. It's also good for tent building and special meetings, exclusive. Because we plan to have this in 24 hours operation. And also special, just like call centers, team building. Yeah. So we started at least capital 300,000 to start for the month. Full rental. We're renting the place for 10,000 a month. just for the rent. That's plausible. Not so I think not so expensive, but we have a big place. Then maintenance repair, so basically, we don't need a large of employees. Just food preparation, we can go. Not so much washing, we can go and eat. And then throw it away. Okay? So these are some of the complications, some of the products and the profit we are targeting on. And we target for 350 per month, 100 bucks a day. So this 100 start at 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, 24 hours is so tiring. But normally the business start at 3. 3 to 7, that's the peak season where travelers are going from north to south. So we have that, the market strategy we have is we have to make sure tourist organizers and operators, so we're coordinating with them, bus terminals. So
Dito pa
in a
kansiyan,
month, in a
ang
day,
sila.
we will know how many tourist bus coming or going to Oslo for just sightseeing. And we can also, from bus terminal, we know how many buses that comes every day. And then the volume of people that are sorted. So operators are huge market. So we need it fast food, quick, reliable. At least the food that we have is not so expensive, affordable. More affordable than Jollibee. So our competition, Jollibee, McDonald's, no, Zeus. But we can do that. We can compete with the price. So we are intention to have the menu not so expensive so that everybody can afford it. It matters when you have a volume sales.
Pag ang
Rather than
Consist,
expensive,
pag ang
but
Bluetooth.
very few sales. So it's like a Chinese bank. They're compensated 1 peso.
I-offer ba i-off?
The volume is that. So this is the some of the products we have. Future plan. Future plan. So these are our future plans because we also have other properties here in Carpac along the shore. Where it's very close to the property we're doing. So these are our future plans there along the sea. It's to yung Viladule, it's a beach line there. So it's also for future. So this is our actual picture now in front of the house. Okay. So drive through, and the house is in the middle. The property here in front. It's along the road, so it's easier to grab the food right away. In 5 minutes, they can go. You don't have to stay longer. Or they can also stay. We have some tables prepared. Those who still have time, they can stay. 30 minutes, just